All right, and I wanted to take a moment to share with you two really cool websites for Midjourney and just for overall inspiration and prompt generation. So let's take a look. We have PlaygroundAI.com, and this is a really cool, basically a news feed that you can go in, see other people's art, see their prompts, and also remix what they did. So once you find something you like, you can click the remix button and it's gonna let you change parameters. It's gonna let you change the model that you're using, the dimensions, the prompt guidance. It's really fun if you just take a little bit of time, hop in here and check it out. And the second tool that I wanted to share that does a great job of curating new art is Lexica.art. So if we go through, we can see the artwork that other people have created, of course all the information on it, and then this really cool remix feature as well where we can go in and generate different versions of what they created or change the prompt or even remove things by creating a negative prompt to get more options. So another great tool to get in there, mess around with, and get even more comfortable with your prompt generation.